Today we're making crispy honey barbecue chicken wings in the air fryer. First, I'm patting the wings dry to remove that extra moisture. This will help them get nice and crispy. Let's squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for a little freshness and flavor. Now it's time for seasoning. We'll go in with our garlic paste, paprika, ginger, white pepper, red chili, turmeric, and black pepper. Did I miss your favorite seasoning? Tell me what you'd add in the comments. Let's cover the bowl with a cling film and let the wings marinate for a while. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Once they're nicely marinated, sprinkle in a little wheat flour and toast them again. This will help create a beautiful crispy coating. Lightly spray the air fryer basket with olive oil, then arrange the wings in a single layer. Make sure they're not overcrowded. Into the air fryer, they go at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Halfway through, let's check on them. They already look amazing. Flip each wing over so they cook evenly. Then back into the air fryer they go. Now for the best part, let's add soy sauce, honey barbecue sauce, tomato ketchup, then toast until every wing is coated in that rich sticky glaze. Air fry for just 1 more minute to let the sauce caramelize. Let's serve them over a bed of fresh iceberg lettuce and they're ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.